Waking up far from home feels different. New sights, new people, new energy. But the feeling of missing home still stays. At ngayon, imbes na mag-focus sa mga namimiss ko, I want to show you where I am. Welcome to China. It's not always easy being away from the people and places that feel like home. But I'm learning, growing, and finding beauty in the little things. By the way, it's me, Jen, and this is my first vlog. So here's my new chapter, a journey of figuring things out, making memories, and living in the moment. And today, I want to share what it's like to be here in China. Everything feels new, from the sights, the sounds, even the smells and the language. It's different, but it's beautiful in its own way. One thing I love about my neighborhood is super convenient. The subway, malls, restaurants, even the lake. Walking distance lang talaga. Kaya today, naisip kong maglakad-lakad lang dito sa Jinsha Lake. Ang tahimik, ang fresh, perfect spot for relaxing. Or just enjoy the view.
Just kiss me, baby, baby, and let you know what I did to you. No, baby, boy, no, believe in my life. And let you know what I did to you. No, baby, boy.
Some days, it honestly feels like I'm in a movie. Yung tipong slow mo lahat. Ang ganda ng weather, tapos ikaw lang and nature. But most of the time, it's just life. Simple, tahimik. Minsan nakakapanibago but somehow, nakakakalmang isipin na okay lang yun. Isa ito sa mga favorite spots ko sa neighborhood. Dito, makikita mo talaga yung perfect balance between nature and city life. Actually, malaki pa tong lugar na to at ang dami pang ibang spots dito. May mga beach area, water activities at iba pa. Also may spot din pang chill lang like coffee shops. I'll show you more next time. It's a great reminder that life doesn't always have to be fast-paced. You can just take a moment to breathe and enjoy simple things like this. Dito sa China, isa sa mga bagay na sobrang convenient ay yung mga bikes. Nasa tabi-tabi lang, iscan mo lang yung QR code, ready to go ka na. Super dali lang gamitin at affordable pa. Since malapit lang yung mall at nagki-crave ako ng pizza, so let's go. Samahan niyo ako.
Crazy about guys. That is fine. She doesn't.
Perfect timing, nakita ko na agad yung Pizza Hut. Alam niyo ba dito sa China, everything's cashless. Super convenient, diba? You can order everything on your phone by scanning a QR code and ang daming pagpipilian. Gutom na talaga ako kaya medyo napadami yung order ko. And guess what? The food is delivered by a robot. So, I got my first order, chicken and pasta. Yung pasta talaga, hindi pwedeng mawala kasi isa to sa mga favorite comfort food ko.
She's fine. Oh, she's fine. Unapologetic and wild. Oh, she's loud in bed or not. Always crazy about guys. 잠들어 머리 그녀를 몰라. And that is fine. She doesn't mind. Get to know her, babe. Then you can hate.
So, let's eat, guys! By the way, magkaiba talaga ang Pizza Hut sa Pinas at dito sa China. Sa Pinas, more on comfort food siya. Mga familiar flavors na kinalakihan natin like Hawaiian pizza, rice meals, and very homey vibes. But here in China, sobrang creative nila sa flavors. Halo ang Western at Chinese style, may seafood, duck, at yes, may durian pizza pa. Ang unique, di ba? But anyway, hindi talaga ako nakain ng durian. And at last, here's the pizza.
Her dress is tight, fits just right. She's so fierce with her style. She talks that talk and walks that walk. In her high heels with pride.
Ito na yung kinikrave ko. Anything cheesy, okay na ako. And ang maganda pa dito, madami kang choices kada punta mo. Perfect siya sa mga mahilig mag-try something new at kakaibang flavors.
Pancakes, a con girl, 예쁜 여자, 쉬운 여자. Get to know her, babe. 깜짝 놀랄걸.
After kumain, ayan, nakita ko pa itong DJI. Nakakatempt bumili but naisip ko hindi ko pa nga masyadong nagagamit yung cam ko eh. So, sulitin ko muna to. Bihib muna tayo.
Samantha, 그녀가 정말 원하는 건 Samantha, Samantha. Just to be loved, 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 that is all, is all. 사실은 다시 다칠까 봐 두려워. 사랑한다고 말할
Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my first vlog. Stay tuned for more vlogs, especially here in China. Salamat sa support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.